Hello everyone! Charot! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Ito lang po sa Pinoy Ped. Sa mga baguhan pa lang dyan na nagsasubscribe sa atin. Maraming salamat po. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat. Okay, please support our YouTube channel kasi marami po tayong ikukwento, marami pa tayong iba-vlog, marami pa tayong pa-contest. As you can see, ang sabi daw, in memory of Erin Pittman Cons. Tara, di ba? Dito tayo sa tinatawag na Montar Trail. See, it's kind of raining soon. Up there. Yan po yung mga bahay dito. Nandito tayo sa medyo bukid-bukid na. Bukid-bukid na yan. Yes. So maraming salamat ulit sa mga bagong subscribers dyan. Yung mga winners, paantay lang po ng mga winners kasi i-upload ko po ang ating bagong video. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapagtanggap ng kanilang load, maaaring kayo po ay mag-comment below. Kasi po, see that? May mga ganyan. Oh, what is this? People is die?
These are planted in people's memory.
Yeah, they said that pag makikita yung mga ganyan.
Plant a tree in my memory?
Yeah, I can plan that with you if you like, you know. Ito po yun, kung mapapansin nyo. Ito po yun, oh. Mga patay na yan, mga tao na yan. Kaya may nakalagay sila na in memory of Damir Fears. See, nandito tayo sa medyo bukid-bukid. Sa medyo bundok-bundok. Hindi naman bundok as in masyado. Pero as you can see, it's so much beautiful here today. Diba? This is where we are going to go. Okay, yan po siya. Ayan. See, it's raining already. Good. I'm glad that I bring my umbrella because it's raining, my dear. Because we have also a rain here. Not only a snow, but rain also. Okay. Ayan po yan. Ayan. Wait lang, ipahay ko kayo. Ipahay ko kayo sa kasama ko na Amerikano. Lang. Say hi, Jack.
Hello. How's everybody today?
We are we?
This is Clayton. If you turn around and look the other way, that's the Clayton Coke plant.
Okay. So what?
The material they use in making steel.
So we are going here just to walk, right?
Right.
Thank you. I hope you will enjoy.
When we get up to this corner here, this is the location that used to be the Montour Railroad yards.
Oh, okay. So ayun po, guys. So maraming salamat sa mga bagong subscribers. Sa hindi pa po nag-subscribe dyan, maaari kayong mag-subscribe. Free lang po at walang bayad. At ganun din po, hit the bell buttons para po kayo magkaroon ng notification pag ako po ay nag-download or nag-upload ng mga bagong videos natin. So hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat sa inyong support, guys. Thank you very much. Sa hindi pa po na-receive ang inyong load, please lang, paantay na lang kasi susunod na po iyon. Bye-bye! So that's what I'm going to show with you guys. So do you know how you call this?
This is the construction. Those are called piers or bents
Bends?
for the new highway.
Oh, this is going to where? West Virginia?
No, this will go between,
Oh my God, look at that guy. Is this amazing or not?
This will go between Highway 379 or 376 by the airport in that direction.
Oh,
And behind us, it will go to Highway 79.
so is this a new?
Yes, this will be a toll expressway, like the Manila West Side Airport Access Expressway.
Oh wow, this is very huge.
Yes.
Is this beautiful? Look at that, guys. Ayan.
We're using it.
Oh my God. This is so
Build
amazing.
these really high things to get it across these valleys.
Okay. See that, guys? I hope you can see that because...
See, this might have been the things we saw on the trucks the other day.
Okay. Oh, okay.
They were bringing these in.
What does the brown?
Those are girders.
Oh, that's his talking, guys. That one, that brown or
That's what
orange.
you put the highway support on.
And that brown anyway is they can use it to the highway. This one, that one. Yeah, and now we are on a bridge. So this is a small bridge. So they call it Kahoy Bridge.
The trail volunteers rebuilt this bridge.
Okay.
This bridge was in very bad condition, and the trail volunteers completely rebuilt this.
So, siya ang bagong interview ko, guys.
In fact, the old bridge was right here.
Oh, this is the old bridge.
The old bridge was right next to it. You can see the supports for it right here.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah, you can.
What is it?
You can see that where the old bridge used to cross.
Oh, ayan guys. Yan
But it
yung
was
ano
a
tinutukoy
Very
niya.
bad condition, so they built this one.
So look at that, guys. How amazing it is. So at least we have a different vlog now. So shout out kay Mars Kaya, kay Ligaya, kay Kuni, kay Merasol, kay Lorica. Sino pa ba yung nagpapa-shoutout? Pasensya na kayo kasi hindi ko dala yung isa kong cellphone, okay? See that, guys? How beautiful. Yan. Oh my God, this is so amazing. So this is under the construction. Okay, so
Even though the bridge is made of steel, it's not what they call fracture critical,
okay.
because there's five across. There's still one to put here. There's room for five. One of those can break. And,
Oh my
and
God.
if one of those breaks, this highway will still be intact.
But before, this is not like that. This is nothing.
Right.
So this is just new.
This is brand new.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is one of those can crack and it's still safe.
Oh, okay.
Because if there was only three, and one broke, that would be bad.
Okay. Pauwi na kami, guys. Tingnan mo, ang ganda dito. Super beautiful. See that? Yung makikita niyo dito. So doon kami galing sa baba. Doon kami sa baba galing. So dito siya, you know. Ayun siya naglalakad. Sounds like I heard something. Did you heard something?
What?
See that? Ayan guys, ayan. Ayan, nakita niyo yan. Yan. Ayan. Hindi ka naman tawag nun. Ayan siya. Ayan na. Which one we go this way? I think this way. Ang ganda ng formation ng ano nila. Ay, Diyos ko. Kakaapoy na ba? Ang ganda. Oh. Wow. Have a great day. Jack, have a great day. Ay, nakaupo tayo dito sa upuan nila. Ang ganda dito. Hi everyone. Okay, wait lang ha.